तो मैंने भी ये चीज़ें अपनी लाइफ से ही सीखी हैं दैट प्रोडक्टिविटी इन लाइफ इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स हम लोग सिर्फ वक्त बिता रहे होते हैं, बट दैट इज़ नॉट हाउ टू लिव अ लाइफ। व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड फ्रॉम लाइफ इज़ दैट हमेशा वक्त को जियो। Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am CS Jaspreet. How are you? I am here with the first video of welcoming the Christmas and New Year and ending this year on a happy note. I expect that whatever happened this year, just let it go and let's move to the next year with a happy mode, right? So today in this video, I will be reviewing a beautiful productivity journal, that is the Jagruk journal. They have put a lot of effort to integrate this beautiful piece. I thank them for sending this beautiful piece to me for reviewing. So this is how I received it. It has a box outer side and this picture actually shows and reflects how to be productive, right? So if you follow me from a while, आपको पता है कि मेरे चैनल पे I always use the word productivity a lot. तो मैंने भी ये चीज़ें अपनी लाइफ से ही सीखी हैं that productivity in life is very very important. Most of the times हम लोग सिर्फ वक्त बिता रहे होते हैं, but that is not how to live a life. What I have learned from life is that हमेशा वक्त को जियो, उसे इस तरीके से यूटिलाइज करो, प्रोडक्टिवली यूटिलाइज करो, either to be happy, either to enjoy, either to work towards your goals. हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ करो ताकि आपका जो फ्यूचर है वो प्रोडक्टिव रहे. And this is how it looks. I'll show you how it looks from inside, but this is the black color from this side, and this is the back of the journal. So without any further ado, let's start and review this beautiful piece of journal. The first thing that grabs my attention is definitely the beautiful black color of the journal. As you can see, the detailing is very minimalist with the name written over here and with 2022 written over here, and that is it. It looks very chic, very professional, and definitely amping up the beauty of your office table as well. So let me open it and show you how does it looks from inside. Of course, really good hardbound cover, as it's a hardbound diary kind of a thing. And first thing when we see is here Jagruk journal. This belongs to, basically you have to write your own name over here. Then moving ahead, we get this journal guide. Let's start with this. Of course, they have kept the beautiful combination of black and white, keeping in mind the productivity and the professionalism that they have put inside this beautiful journal. Starting with the personal details, obviously, and the details as you could see it by yourself only. For example, the personal memoranda, the family health check, the doctor, professional, the documents, employment, insurance. In general planners, we obviously don't find these things because obviously that is only for planning purposes. But this planner, as the name suggests, it's a productivity planner. It's far more than just planning your days, right? So this is the basic details which I believe everyone in the family should know, and we should put a proper record of it. Moving ahead, of course, another insurance policies, your bank accounts, your FDs, RDs, loans, your cylinder details and the details of your kids, everything. So this is the calendar. Of course, the very very important thing that came in the beginning is the calendar. यहाँ पे आप important days mark कर सकते हो regarding your birthdays, your anniversaries or anything else you feel is important. तो आप यहाँ पे in fact the festivals, अब कुछ भी यहाँ पे चाहते हो आप वो चीज़ें mark कर सकते हो. Moving ahead, as I talk about the festivals, we get this beautiful list of holidays as to, because I am that person कि मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि साल में दिवाली कब आ रही है या होली कब है या other festivals as well. Moving ahead, set your goals. As you enter the new year, goals for 2022 should be set here. जहाँ पे you will write the career goals, the finance goals, the health goals and the self-care goals, right? And here, just in case you want to write anything extra, you can write here. Moving ahead to the first month. So I'll show you 1 month details, and majorly all the months look alike. As I told you, following the pattern of black and white. So this is how it looks like. I would just turn it around and you can see the January planner. ये छोटे छोटे बॉक्सेस आपको दिए हुए हैं so that you can write something you want to plan special. It's not always, important that you have to mark only your holidays or your, anniversaries and birthdays. You may have important meetings, you may have important seminars or webinars as a working person, or for me they are my videos. मुझे हर Monday, Wednesday, Saturday new video ideas चाहिए होते हैं. Then I think I could use this place to write down my ideas, क्योंकि ये boxes जो हैं they are of ample, space. You can see आराम से आप 2-3 लाइन्स इसमें लिख सकते हो, राइट. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत ही थोड़ी सी जगह है कि कुछ नहीं लिखा जाएगा. यू कैन कंफर्टेबली राइट इट लाइक जस्ट एन आइडिया फॉर अ वीडियो विल डू माई टास्क. तो मुझे इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग इट on any diary or something, I could definitely write them here. और आप भी अपनी appointments और अपने कोई important days यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो with details, which is what I like the most. Extending over here, so this is beautifully planned, like थोड़ा सा change लेके आए हैं. And नीचे February 2022 से related भी if you want to write anything, you can definitely write it. So इस month की planning तो है ही. If you want to take anything ahead or if you want to write anything for the next month, you can write so. और ये kites का एक कलरफुल सा डिज़ाइन है which I really like. The January activity planner. As you can see, you can write down your activities like every day and healthy habits to start. It could be anything, right? Like eating healthy food or going for a walk. It could be anything. So write it down here. Iske baad, the next page is that January habits tracker. So this is how you will keep a track on your habits for all the days. And starting with the beautiful planner, as you can see, the 1st January, Happy New Year. Now this is how it looks. I'll show you like a full page. This is the starting of the page. Every page you will find this first question, the second question, a to-do list, expenses, and of course a fun fact down here which I really liked. The first question is the same over every page, that is I'll remember today by. तो सोने से पहले जब आप ये प्लानर फिल करोगे, आई एम श्योर एवरी डे आपकी लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ होता है, एटलीस्ट एक चीज़ तो ऐसी ज़रूर होती है बाय विच यू रिमेंबर द डे. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग, राइट. इट कुड बी ट्राइंग आउट अ न्यू मील और गेटिंग अ न्यू ड्रेस और समवन्स बर्थडे और इवन टू the least someone complimented you, right? So you will always remember your day by that, or you enjoyed the day just by staying at home, or you enjoyed the day just by going out with family. तो कुछ भी हो सकता है आपके दिन का. This is the space that is provided. हमेशा याद रखो, this is actually like something that's called gratitude or being grateful. हर दिन हमारी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा ज़रूर होता है for which we are grateful or we are gratitude for. लेकिन they have not written the word gratitude or grateful. They have used this beautiful line, I'll remember today by. Moving ahead to this question. Now this is something that I was really fascinated when I opened this planner, because this is something really thought about, and you know what, this question changes on every page and I was so amazed. What would I do if I knew I could not fail? This is written over here. So just think about it. Before sleeping, alongside the remembrance of the day, you will be writing down a beautiful question, just asking yourself that, what would I do if this happens? If I flip out few pages and I show what is written over here, what do I value most in relationships? So as you can see, this is 6th January. The first question is same, the bottom things are same, just the center question changes, which is so beautiful. Just write it down, and by this you actually do a little bit of brainstorming also. For 365 days they have curated 365 questions, and each night you sleep with a beautiful thought is something to live by. Really great. Moving on to the to-dos, of course, you can mention the to-do list कि आपको क्या-क्या चीज़ें करनी हैं, and your expenses. So one thing I would say that if you are working or if you are earning, this is one thing we all should keep a track on, that is expenses, because we need to save it and we need to invest it, and we should keep a track कि हम कितना खर्चा करते हैं. So this is my favorite slot that you can each day record. So this is how every daily pages go. Now I will show you, this is the week at a glance. So basically when you finish a week, you always get this page, that is the Sunday page, 10th January to 15th January, and this is the Sunday. And this is the last page of every month, that is starting over here, this is the January expenses tracker. So you have to here now jot down daily expenses, how much you spent daily and total आपने एक महीने में कितना खर्चा कर दिया, it should be written over here. And the credit card payment, of course the loans, advances if any, investment if you did, and February expense planning. तो जब आप यहाँ से move on करोगे, right, for example यहाँ पे आपने बहुत खर्चा कर लिया तो I'm sure आप plan करोगे कि अब मैं February में ज़्यादा खर्चा नहीं करूँगी या करूँगा. So here you can obviously plan and set a limit that I will not spend more than this money, or I will not spend more than this amount in February. Then again February, which is definitely the same as earlier. So this is again the February planner. You can see it is reddish pinkish color, and this is how to plan. And the March planning over here, and little hearts. Okay, color for February they have chosen is red. So basically उन्होंने black and white के साथ साथ थोड़ा सा fun factor के लिए colors change रखे हैं. After we complete the month of December with this last page, the bucket list 2022. Basically आपको 2022 में क्या क्या चीज़ें करनी है. So here you will write 22 things I want to do in 2022. Of course they have coordinated the number 22 with the year 2022. Here you will be writing 22 things. It could be anything. कुछ बड़ा, कुछ छोटा, कुछ भी हो सकता है. आप कहीं घूमना चाहते हो, आप कोई बुक रीड करना चाहते हो, आप कोई चीज़ परचेज करना चाहते हो, और anything. It could be anything. वो आपके ऊपर है. तो ये bucket list शुरू में ही लिख लेना, right? Of course, the books and the podcast. Alongside that, living in the era of movies, TV series, of course, web series as well. I would be writing that. So here you can write which all movies, TV series, web series you want to watch. Pages of notes at the end. And with this, we end this beautiful journal. Again, a product by Labor Law Advisor. So this was how it looks from inside. So I could just say that it is a beautiful integration of a professional diary and a planner. क्योंकि अगर आप journaling planner में देखोगे तो बहुत सारी चीजें जो इस journal में provided हैं वो आपको नहीं मिलेंगी. That is why they call it a productivity journal. मेरी तरफ से I really love this journal because of course I'm a professional and I know the importance of productivity in our lives. अगर आपको भी ये journal अच्छी लगी तो you can easily find the shopping link in my description box below. एक shopping link होगा, वहाँ पे आप click करके इस journal को easily buy कर सकते हो. And while buying the journal, you can of course use my code JASPREET50 to avail discount. This code is specially for my YouTube fam. You can use this code to avail discount and buy this beautiful piece of planner for yourself. Because never to say that planning and productivity should be something that we all should integrate in our lives, make a difference in our lives, to make a difference in our careers. I hope you enjoyed the video. Video अच्छी लगी तो like कर देना. Do subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet. Of course, share this video with your friends as well. So I'll see you in my next. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and keep the celebrations on. Bye.